I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an install video. Today I will be installing this 26-inch HD lace wig from WOWANGEL. If you all have watched any of my other videos, you know I absolutely love WOWANGEL. I have bought from them so many times and they're one of the few companies on AliExpress that actually have real HD lace, and I just eat it up every time. I love it, love it, love it. But guys, they actually reached out to me this time and asked me to try this wig, and y'all, I'm so happy because y'all know I love WOWANGEL. So this is a 13x6 lace front wig. It's 250% density. Another thing I love is a nice 250% density wig because I love thicker hair. Like, it eats every time. Like, look at that. But okay, you guys, today we are going to be installing this wig together. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. WOWANGEL is one of the only real HD lace companies on AliExpress. Like, when you see these little tears at the end, that's how you know you have some really bomb lace. You're working with some super good lace. So we are going to install this wig. It is a 13x6. Let me show you all the inside. So I did add a little lace tint to this wig, but you see the middle area, you have a nice amount of parting space in the middle, and then you have some space on the side. So you can also wear this wig glueless. It does have like an adjustable strap so you can tighten it if you have a smaller head. But WOWANGEL always also have really big head friendly wigs because you guys know I have a big head. But let me put on this wig. I am just obsessed with WOWANGEL's lace. Like, it's always so fire, you guys. So I did pluck this wig to give me like a little widow's peak type of deal going on. So it should be fun. I think we're just gonna do like a really cute middle part look today. So when I am installing wigs, I always, let me get super close so y'all can see what's going on. I always like to work in threes. So I do cut a slit at the left temple, slit at the right temple, and we're gonna work in threes, you guys. I'm going to be installing this wig using lace spray today. I love working in threes because I can just kind of break it down and make everything a lot more simple. I'm going to spray some lace spray right here. And sometimes I kind of use my finger to guide it a little bit. Then I can go to the middle section, spray some lace spray right here. Kind of rub it in with my finger and then do the next section. It's gonna be a super quick and easy install today, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 layers of spray. So we just put down our first layer. We're gonna blow dry it, put down a second, blow dry it, and then put the wig down, blow dry it. Okay, so that's layer 1. We're gonna do layer 2 now. Okay, so now we're going to do layer 3. Okay, so on this layer, before we actually blow dry the glue, we're going to put the wig where we want it to be when we install it. So like this. So I'm guessing I want this about right here. Okay, and now we're gonna blow dry it. A few stray hairs messing up everything, so let's kind of mow these back. And now I'm going to cut off this excess lace. You might need to touch up any spots that might come up after you do that, so I'm just going to touch this up real quick. Okay, and I'm just gonna move on to this side before I do the middle. So let's cut the excess lace off over here. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the middle and cut off this excess lace. And guys, I'm just using an eyebrow razor if I didn't say that already. Okay guys, so I tied up my lace for a little while to like really let it melt in so the wig could just slay. So the lace spray can leave like a little residue. So I do use the melting spray by them too. So this is really good when you have like a little lightness towards the lace, you use a little melting spray and it hits. But it is looking so pretty right now, you guys. I am obsessed. Y'all, like the lace is just giving. It's giving, it's eating the girlies up. Let me hold my head straight because sometimes I do a terrible job of getting in the middle of my head. I love that this is a 13 by 6 because I can actually have my long middle part that I just love. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I am going to hot comb all of this down to mold the hair into the shape we want it. Guys, definitely be patient with this part so you can get that flat install that just eats. So I'm actually gonna add baby hair at the temples. I just feel like this wig would just eat these little baby hairs up. So not too much, nothing too thick, just a few baby hairs, nothing crazy. Especially like with the more widow's peak plucking, I feel like just a couple baby hairs look so cute. But that's one thing about HD lace, you do not need baby hairs to cover up any weird lace spots. This is purely just for aesthetics because I'm extra. Okay, now let's do this side. And then we're just gonna pop a few curls in here when we're done. And we'll be done, you guys. I feel like working with HD lace just makes everything 100 times easier. Like literally 100. Just even this spot right here, that's the spot that does it for me. It just eats. Another thing is, even when your HD lace is coming up just a little bit, people can't see it because the lace just looks so good. I love that. I'm gonna do a little plucking within this part here, just to make it straighter and a little wider. I feel like it should be just a little bit wider. See, the little widow's peak is coming through. I love it, love it, love it. It's so funny because my sister has a natural widow's peak and she shaves it. I don't know if she'll get mad I said that, but she shaves it. And like, I'm over here plucking my wigs trying to get a widow's peak. They just eat, you guys. That looks so good. I love it. Look at that side over there. This side is definitely my favorite right now. So I am gonna add a little makeup in the middle part just to make it even straighter and more apparent. Okay guys, this is how it is looking so far. Now I'm just gonna pop some curls in it. I'm going to one curl this hair and then we are going to be done, you guys. But let's see how this hair curls on camera. Look at that. Look at that. It is so cute, so cute. So I know it's gonna take me a while to one curl this hair, so I'm going to curl this hair and then I will be right back, you guys. Okay guys, so I popped a few curls in this hair real quick and y'all you can just tell by how the curls lay, like if the hair is good or not. Like it just eats. Wow Angel has never disappointed me, never led me astray. Like I just love them. But you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittney, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.